Removing the instrument cluster from the S-Class 𝙎𝙤𝙬𝙬𝙬. Insert a plastic wedge between the slats of the center vent grille, pry up the grille and remove the screw located below it. Switch on the ignition and adjust the steering wheel to its farthest out and lowest position. Switch the ignition off again. Use a wedge to pry off the lower plastic cover. Carefully remove all upper trim parts using a plastic wedge. Remove the screw that secures the switch bar between the instrument cluster and the 𝙬𝙗𝙬𝙙 display. Detach the plug from the back side and remove the bar. To protect the trim strip, cover the steering column with a cloth. Loosen the screws on the side of the instrument cluster until only 2 threads remain. Gently pull out the instrument cluster and detach the plugs on the back side. Note that space is tight in this area. Exercise patience during both removal and installation. Remove the complete instrument cluster.